Let's start our composting journey at day 1. First, I have spread an even layer of cocoa peat all around the compost bin. This is all the kitchen waste and vegetable peels that was produced today. I'm going to slowly just put it into the compost bin. We have to spread it very evenly so that composting takes place normally. Everything is 100% compostable. We'll start adding the cocoa peat. It is basically a starter for the composting. You can get it easily in the market. It helps prevent any stink or bad smell that may come from the compost that is forming. This should be also spread very evenly. And we're done!
Do watch the video till the end for important tips and tricks.
This package was one which I had been awaiting for a long time. I am so eager to start composting and contribute to a better environment.
Shouldn't we all do this too?
To cover the compost bin tightly at night to prevent any rats or mice from sniffing it. Day 2 now. Today we are going to add kitchen waste and some dried leaves as well. You can also put some small bits of paper and things like that into compost bin. We have kept the compost bin outside in our balcony because it was getting heavier and difficult to move it. Also for better aeration. There will also be flies and little insects, but no worries, they only help in composting. Underneath, the layers of compost must be forming. Now I'm going to tell you some helpful tips and tricks to make the composting process faster. The first one is churning your mixture. You should continually churn your mixture like this to help the composting process. The second is cutting the peels into smaller pieces. Preferably add only vegetable peels, no leftover food. Keep the compost bin in a well aerated place. Keep churning the mixture daily. Try not to add watery fruit peels like watermelon rinds, it adds the moisture. If possible, cut the peels into small pieces. Help us spread the message about sustainability by sharing this video. Also, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.